Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Are you looking for a great desktop DAC under $320? Today we're comparing two heavy hitters. The Topping DX5 at $299 and the FiiO K13 R2R at $319. Here's the big difference. The Topping uses dual ESS chips for super clean, detailed sound. Think of it like a crystal clear window. The FiiO uses an R2R ladder design with 192 resistors that gives you a warmer, more natural sound. It's like listening to vinyl versus digital. Power-wise, the Topping wins big. It pushes 7,600 milliwatts into 32 ohms from the balanced output. That's triple what the FiiO offers at 2,400 milliwatts. Both have 10-band EQ controls and Bluetooth with high-quality codecs. The Topping has 3 headphone jacks with the FiiO at 2. Both can work as preamps for speakers. The Topping is compact with a full color screen and remote control. Everything's on the back except the headphone jack up front. The FiiO is bigger but has a cool see-through window on top showing the resistor array inside. It also has dual knobs for easier control and can run on external power supplies. Sound-wise, they're different animals. The Topping gives you precise, clean, and transparent sound, great for detail and accuracy. The FiiO offers 2 modes. NOS mode sounds smooth and organic and perfect for relaxed listening. OS mode sounds tighter and more detailed. The FiiO's soundstage feels wider and more immersive. So which one? Pick the Topping if you want maximum power, the cleanest possible sound, and a smaller footprint. Choose the FiiO if you prefer warmer tones, love the R2R character, and want the wide soundstage. Both are fantastic for the money. Your choice depends on your sound preference. Thanks so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video.